Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing some Grow Garden. I'm going to show you something that makes it a little bit easier for our mobile. So you see how there's this button right here. When I click it, it makes stuff easily go. I know I don't have a screen again, but now we're going to go back. And we're going to have to, now we're going to wait till the summer harvest happens. Bro, no, they've been not going, they're still going to steal my pineapple seed. No, pineapple seed. What are they trying to steal? They're literally trying to steal my pineapple seed. Bro, can I steal my pineapple seed? Bro, stupid. Bro, stupid. Bro, so stupid. Let me try collecting my pineapple seed, bro. I'm not collecting this, I don't know what he's going for. He's stupid. He's a tree with non-existence. He's holding something. How big is that? How big is that mango, bro? I want to go see how big that mango is, but I cannot plant it. Oh wait, Alright, my flamingo's doing the thing. Now we're gonna go ahead and put down my thing that I already made a feed down. I'm gonna go to pets. Oh, we're gonna turn around. I'm gonna place the commerce on there. Commerce on there. We can place that down. There we go. Wow, I have a humongous peach. Humongous pear. I think this one be the flamingo. That's really good. That's there. And then I think it's the cacao. Or did I give it away? I'm gonna put down the car. I'm gonna go sell the cacao. I'm gonna go solution. How much is this worth? Bro, I'll probably look more here. I run on there's 2 mythical eggs in stock. Cancel, go back, buy. I need the red fox from that. And the red fox is OP. Although it doesn't really work most of the time, it's still OP. Bro, some of that's worth so much more on websites. On trading value up for these. Alright, so we're just gonna sell this thing up from that Smash store and see how much this is worth. Oh wow, that's a lot of money for the shovels. Can't I upgrade my backs, my inventory? Can't I upgrade? Can't I upgrade my inventory? I think I can upgrade my inventory right now. I think I have enough to upgrade inventory stuff. Inventory. Extra inventory slots. We're going to buy that. All filled smacks. Buy this filled smacks. There we go. Or not. Right now, oh man. Oh well, that's fine. I guess we don't need that money because there's nothing really good with that money. That comes with that money, though, right? What do you mean, Matt? I did enough for why did I still sing Smash? I think I can wait and rejoin. Alright, we're leaving and rejoining. Doing that quickly, guys. What time is it? It is. What time is it? It's 1:15 hours. I have another hour left. I mean, 2 hours left, I think. Now I'm gonna see if I have more inventory space. Right, time to take this here. What do you mean, Matt? Don't tell me. Don't make me tell me. Actually, this is cosmetic. No. I made a mistake. Regular. So many more players. They brought that back. talking about turn off plants. Alright, the best strategy is collecting blueberries. Cacao work, I don't think they do, but try collecting blueberries. Collect all the blueberries, so this is a lot, and it's nice. Also, what we're going to is collecting more sugar apples, are worth the most. Sugar apples, usually they're worth the most. I should be able to click my eyes right now. My eyes, there's no fur up yet, though. But I can pull it. Now I'm going to check if there's any sugar apples. Wait, did I forgot to place my sugar apples? I think that would work a lot of here. We're we need to get a lot more. Take all my sugar plants. Thank you. I'd like to get the pear. Favorite pear. Take all my sugar plants. Bro, why is it saying that so many fruits that it's some of plants that I figured it? Unless it's talking about the lilies, Bro, it's even when you cannot tell what still frozen stuff is. Figure this stuff on everything. Favorite things on there. I'm gonna do one of your favorite things. I think that's what I'm doing. You pull it in there. Oh, wait, I have to. Yeah, take off some plants. Right, just all I can do. Watermelon is like that. No, we don't need any more watermelon. I like the watermelon. Especially if they get really big. Thank you. Nothing good in straw. Yeah, you're not gonna get that up for us. Cosmetic structure stuff or not. Two beach sprays. Make sure you go buy those two beach sprays that are in stock right now. Quest. Daily quest, right there you go. Then I want to get the revolver and try and more of it only at the end. Chummy, the daily quest. Thank you. Alright, yeah, we need a. Wait, no, I guess we don't. I guess we don't want two strawberries. One on the pack though, it's not worth it. Alexa, turn off plug. Alexa, turn off plug. And if you're bored, you get some of this sort of eggs. I would suggest you for one of her something else stuck on the tree to pick it up. Yeah, the stuff right there, right? Oh wow, that's a quick way. Just hold it down too, guys. You can just hold it down too. It's so much faster rather than just pressing it once at a time, bro. Hold it down. Your orange, let's see it around and gear up again. I think it is. Come on, you guys. There you go. No, it's not your stuff. Okay. Imagine things then. And I'm gonna go donate all my food. I think Starfruit counts because I'm gonna go check stuff. Kind of like tropical and stuff. Right, let's see. Yep, alright. Got a pair, right? We're gonna open the glass one too. I got a candle up. That method actually. So guys, if you see anything you want, you just press down there and then you wanna go and click on it. Before you just do it, you're gonna click on it. Ooh, I wonder if bamboo works. Okay, does bamboo work? Yeah, let's look and see the parasol flower and beanstalk work. Oh man, chrome. As I call chrome. Don't ask me why I call chrome. That, but let me go to. Let's search up. I'm gonna go to top. Type to Google. We're gonna go look for alternatives because bamboo gets really long and I think we can find an alternative. What event is going on right now? Usually when I pull up the hams, button. So when you move the more, just hold it up and then hold down the button. And I think we're gonna move the sugar apple tree a little bit over. Sugar apple tree over here, and go back. I'm not need to put this. I don't know the way I started them. I'm going to look at the flowers there. I'm gonna move the sugar apple tree on the side. We're on the farming side now. Let's move over. You can see all my sugar apples. Let's move. I'm gonna put it right there. We're gonna be able to see all my sugar apples. We're able to see all the sugar apples much better now. Garden. Kiwi over there. Boom. I'm gonna move all the trees over here. So I'm gonna move the bushes over the bushes. I'm gonna move the trees over here. And the vine stuff is gonna go. Where did I put the vine stuff? I don't know what the vine looking trees. There, I think we're gonna rotate it just a teeny bit. We're gonna rotate it until it's turned on. lights, but like just a layer underneath it. of a stress for you. Don't know if that's just food or for the pets. Don't know, I'm not quite sure. And I don't know how to manage. Let's see. Pet games for stuff at home. Totally based on its age and stuff like that. Why Alexa, what is 50 minus 43? my iPad's really loud. Let's have a little volume.